Today, I'm going to show you some hidden advanced Samsung features that you probably didn't know about. These features are exclusive to Samsung devices, so you can't find them on any iPhone today. Plus, they can make your life easier and more productive. So without further ado, let's get into it.
The first feature is called Popup App. This feature lets you open any app in a small window by dragging from the top right corner and resizing it anyhow you want. You can move it around, and you can also change the transparency settings and adjust it anyhow you want. You can also drag from your edge panel and open it into the Popup app. And so to find this feature, you do need to head into settings, go all the way to advanced features and click on multi-window, and then you can see swipe for pop-up view, and you do want to turn that on. So the second feature is called separate app sound, and this feature lets you play sound from one app through a different audio device than the one you're using for other apps. Let's say you are hanging out with your friends and you do need to listen to your own media even while you're playing music in the car.
Yesterday, in the streets, I think I could be discreet, but I messed up something sweet. Just what I need better than you did. No one could ever love me better than you did.
So, you got
And I miss you laying in my sheets. So you don't see I spent out till I bleed. I don't wanna lose you to what I did.
As you can see, that lets me play media to the Bluetooth device and through my phone at the same time. So you can also do this with your earbuds. For the next feature, so this is called no shutdown without authentication. So this prevents anyone from turning off your phone without entering your password, PIN or pattern, or biometric authentication. This also prevents anyone without your password from being able to turn off mobile data or even GPS. So as you can see, if I do try to power this off, I do need to put in my biometrics or PIN to turn that off. And luckily for this, I was able to find a generous iPhone user to let me test that on their phone. As you can see, it's locked. So I will try to power this off, and I think you probably know where this is going. And there it is, the great, not so great iPhone dies. The fourth feature is called one hand mode, and this feature shrinks the screen size so you can easily reach everything with one hand. So this is very useful if you have a large screen or you're holding something in your second hand. So you can resize this anyhow you want. You can move it around. You can also switch it to the left side of the screen by tapping that arrow to the left. And to find this, you do need to head to settings. Again, go to advanced features, and right there you can see one-handed mode and the gesture feature. So you want to turn that on. So the next feature is called Samsung DeX. This is personally my favorite. And this feature transforms your phone into a desktop-like experience when you connect it to a monitor. So this is very useful if you do have to get work done and you don't have your laptop with you, but you do have a display with a mouse and keyboard. So as you can see right here, I do have it connected to my Samsung monitor. So even though this is a Samsung monitor, it doesn't have to be a Samsung monitor for Samsung DeX to work. You can also do this on a PC, so on your personal computer. So once I plug my phone in, it shows me the pop-up to use DeX, and I can click start now. So once I unlock my device, you can see in the background that pops up, and it's basically the same view that I got on the monitor, and I can still use my phone even while I'm using Samsung DeX actually. So just to show you that. And I can also do a drag and drop in case you want to use this to easily share files between your phone and your laptop. But you do need to note, however, that this feature is only available to Samsung flagship devices. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another one.